with Shri Manoj Kumar Agarwal, Chairman cum Managing Director, Bharat Coking Coal Limited. Sir, please आइए stage पर. A very, very warm welcome to you, sir. And please accept this bouquet of flowers as a token of respect and love. Thank you. You may please take your seat in the audience while I call upon Madam Rupinder Brar, Additional Secretary, Ministry of Coal, Government of India. Madam, please take center stage and accept this bouquet of flowers as a token of reverence, appreciation, and gratitude. Can we hear it loud for Madam Rupinder Brar? Thank you. Shri Mukesh Agarwal, Director, Finance, Coal India. A hearty welcome to you, sir. आदर सम्मान का प्रतीक इन फूलों का स्वीकार किया गया है और अब मैं बुलाना चाहती हूँ श्री संजीव कसी जी, जॉइंट सेक्रेटरी, मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ कोल, गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया. वेलकम सर. बहुत बहुत स्वागत है आपका. Shri Naveen Agarwal, Joint Secretary, Deepam. Swagat, sir. Dhanyavad. Shri Sanjay Kumar Singh, Director, Technical Operations, BCCL. Welcome to you. Dr. Harish Ahuja, Senior Vice President, Issuer Relationships, PSD, Power and Carbon Markets, NSE. Let us start clapping for him. Shri Bani Kumar Parui, Company Secretary, GM Finance, BCCL. And now let us hear it loud for the book running lead managers, the BRLM, Shri Kamalkant Upadhyay, MD and CEO, IDBI Capital Markets Limited. Welcome to you. And now Shri Mohanjeet Singh, Senior Coverage Banker, ICICI Securities Limited. और अब देवी और सज्जनों, भारतीय परंपरा के अनुसार दीप प्रज्वलित कर इस समारोह का उद्घाटन होगा. In keeping with the Indian tradition, the function will be inaugurated by lighting the auspicious ceremonial lamp. And to do the honors, could I request Shri Manoj Kumar Agarwal, Madam Rupinder Brar, Shri Mukesh Agarwal, Shri Sanjeev Kassi, Shri Naveen Agarwal, Shri Sanjay Kumar Singh, Dr. Harish Ahuja, Shri Bani Kumar Parui, Shri Rajesh Kumar, Shri M.S. Raju, Shri Brijesh Kumar Tripathi, who is the CVO of Coal India, Shri Aman Raj, CVO of BCCL, Shri Niladri Rai, Director Technical BCCL, Shri Murali Krishna Ramaiya, Director HR, and both the BRLMs. Please join us, Shri Kamalkant Upadhyay and Shri Mohanjeet Singh. Deepena Lokana Jayati, Deepas Tejo Mayaha Smritaha, Chaturvargat Pradodipan, Tasmat Deep Yajet Priye. This couplet in Sanskrit translates, the lamp is luminous, its radiance grants victory, its light imparts dharma, artha, kama and moksha. This is the significance of lighting a lamp, and hence a lamp should be lit. Lamp, as we know, is also a symbol of knowledge, learning and wisdom. दीप ज्ञान का प्रतीक होता है, हम सभी जानते हैं. हम प्रार्थना करते हैं हमारा जीवन उज्जवल प्रकाशमान हो. A very nice group picture, moments to be treasured and cherished in the form of photographs. यादगार पल हम सभी के लिए. Thank you. Request all of you to please take your seats as the lamp is being lit and the function has been inaugurated. I will call upon Shri Kamal Kant Upadhyay, MD and CEO, IDBI Capital Markets Limited, for the opening address.
A very good morning to everyone here. All the distinguished dignitaries from Government of India, Coal India Limited, BCCL, fellow capital market participants, colleagues. It's a matter of immense pride and professional satisfaction for me to represent IDBI Capital at this historic listing ceremony of BCCL on the NSE platform. As left lead managers to the prestigious transaction, we stand today as proud partners in what has undoubtedly been one of the most successful IPOs of the Indian capital market, recent capital market history. When we took this assignment as left lead alongside ICICI Securities, we knew that we were dealing with more than just a transaction. This was India's largest coking coal producer, a strategic national asset with more than 7.9 billion tons of coal reserves, powering the nation's power, steel, and cement industry. And the market response truly validated this. The IPO received an unprecedented over 140 times response on overall basis, and what makes it truly remarkable is a very strong response across all investor categories. QIP over 300 times, NII over 258 times, and retail portion over 49 times. Please clap. And these are not just numbers. They represent the strong conviction and broad-based investor confidence in the strong fundamentals of the company, its growth potential and strategic vision, and also strategic relevance for the government's Atmanirbhar initiative. Today's listing is not just a milestone for BCCL, it's a validation of Indian capital markets' depth and maturity. This kind of stellar market performance across all categories demonstrates strong appetite for quality business aligned with national priorities. Friends, behind every successful assignment, there's a team of dedicated professionals. I wish to take this opportunity and appreciate the efforts of ECM teams of both the BRLMs, IDBI Capital, and ICICI Securities, along with BCCL IPO team, who worked relentlessly through nights and over weekends with full support from the BCCL top management. I also extend my gratitude to the regulator, SEBI, all the transaction advisors, both the depositories, the stock exchanges, especially NSE, for hosting us here today. On behalf of IDBI Capital and ICICI Securities, I wish a grand listing to the team, BCCL and CIL, and convey thanks to their management for choosing us as their trusted partners for this transformative journey post-listing. I wish BCCL team a very bright future post-listing and a continued success. Thank you all. Thank you. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, sir, for the initial remarks as well as extending your best wishes to the listing. I will now invite Shri Manoj Kumar Agarwal, Chairman cum Managing Director, Bharat Coking Coal Limited, to address this August gathering on this highly joyous and equally significant occasion. Shri Manoj Kumar Agarwal.
Good morning to all, honorable guests, distinguished members of the stock exchange, esteemed investors, colleagues, and friends. Again, good morning to you all. Today marks a truly momentous occasion for Bharat Coking Coal Limited as we ring the opening bell on the National Stock Exchange. I stand before you filled with profound gratitude and immense pride. This achievement is a testament to the exceptional confidence reposed in us by the investors community and the tireless efforts of all those who made this historical listing possible. Unprecedented market confidence. The overwhelming response to our initial public offering speaks for itself. We received a phenomenal subscription of over 140 times, an extraordinary validation rarely witnessed in Indian capital markets. Our qualified institutional buyers demonstrated exceptional conviction with a 300-fold subscription, while non-institutional investors showed equally remarkable enthusiasm and 258 times subscription. Our retail investors participated with strong appetite at 49 times subscription. This exceptional demand across all investor categories underscores the market's deep confidence in BCCL's value proposition and growth potential. Significance for India's industrial growth. BCCL occupies a position of strategic importance in India's development trajectory. As the nation's largest coking coal producer, we play an instrumental role in supporting India's steel and power industries. Our listing today is not merely a corporate event, it's a reaffirmation of our commitment to India's energy sector, security, industrial growth, and the government's vision of Atmanirbhar Bharat. Our commitment going forward. As we transition to being a publicity listed entity, we remain steadfastly committed to the highest standards of corporate governance, transparency, and accountability. We shall continue our relentless pursuit of operational excellence, technological innovations, financial discipline position us uniquely to the invest in growth initiatives while delivering sustainable value to our shareholders. Heartfelt gratitude. The success of this listing is the result of exceptional collaboration among multiple institutions and individuals. I extend our deepest gratitude to the National Stock Exchange and Bombay Stock Exchange, Board of India, SEBI for their regulatory guidance, and IDBI Capital Markets Limited, our lead managers, and ICICI Securities for their strategic stewardship throughout this journey, especially to हमारे सरदार मंजीत सिंह जी. We acknowledge the In Time India, our registrar, and extend heartfelt appreciation to all our legal counsel, merchant bankers, financial advisors, and auditors and compliance officers who have labored tirelessly day and night to ensure the success of the transaction. Your dedication and expertise have been invaluable. Vision for the future. This listing marks the commencement of an exciting new chapter for BCCL. With the support of our shareholders and stakeholders, we are committed to creating enduring value, driving innovation, and contributing meaningfully to India's economical growth and energy security. I am confident
Thank you, Mansi. So a very warm and a very special good morning to everyone from the Ministry of Coal, Government of India. And to begin the day, I think we've had wonderful photographs with the bull there, and I was wondering where are the bears. So no bears here. And want to thank, it's been a great beginning for coal. Who would have thought in India we would be listing a coal company, a government coal company, and finding the kind of value that we've actually got. So we want to thank all the investors. We want to thank the public at large for creating that kind of confidence, because this is an exercise that's just started, unlocking value, looking at the inherent strengths of the coal companies that have been making India energy sufficient. But there's more to do. And that's where we need the synergy of everybody to come together. And therefore, a huge thanks for creating that kind of fillip for us. We needed it. We needed that shot up the arm to understand we believe in ourselves, but when the public says that you're really worth your salt, I think it just adds a lot of energy for all of us. So special thanks, of course, to the National Stock Exchange for hosting us, for having us here, for providing all the support. And of course, to the IDBI team, the ICICI team, and everybody else, J. Sagar and Associates, and everybody else. I don't want to miss anybody, so I don't want to take all the names. But to everyone, and most importantly, to CMD, BCCL, and his team. They've been laboring, and they've been really, really at it. It's been the first experience, so lots of learnings for us in the ministry also, for all the other companies. We have another one round the block. Harish and I were just talking about it. And we also want to bring for information to everybody that it's so transformational, this era for us, because the coal trading exchange is also happening. It's already been announced by the cabinet. The rules are being framed. So all the cobwebs that we used to associate coal with is completely transforming in the 21st century. So with those words, once again, a huge thanks to everyone for supporting us, for believing in us. Keep supporting us, and let's make sure that in the next few years, India is truly not just a 4 trillion economy, but much more than that. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am, for your thoughts, inspiring all to surge ahead on the growth trajectory. And now, could I request Dr. Harish Ahuja, Senior Vice President, Issuer Relationships, PSD, Power and Carbon Markets, NSE, to please address us.
Madam Rupinder Brar, Additional Secretary, Ministry of Coal. Shri Sanjeev Kasi, Joint Secretary, Ministry of Coal. Shri Mukesh Agrawal, Director of Finance, Coal India Limited. Shri Naveen Agrawal, Joint Secretary, Deepa, Ministry of Finance. Shri Manoj Agrawal, Chairman and Managing Director, Bharat Coking Coal Limited. Shri Kamal Kant Upadhyay, MD and CEO, IDBI Capital. Shri Mohanjit Singh, Senior Coverage Broker, Banker, ICICI Securities, board members, employees, family members, media personnel, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen. Good morning and warm welcome to all of you at NSE for the listing ceremony of Bharat Coking Coal Limited, and this will be 2,936 company to list on NSE today. India is the 4th largest capital market after US, China, and Japan in terms of market capitalization. As on today, the market cap of Indian listed companies stand at around 466 lakh crores, around $5.17 trillion. In terms of GDP versus market cap, we are almost 20% higher than the GDP of the country, which is normal. In US also, which is developing nicely, the GDP growth versus market cap growth is 20% higher. And this is a good sign of a growing and developing economy like India. At NSE, our commitment has been to provide a platform that enables company to grow, investor to participate in that growth, and Indian economy to thrive. In last 30 years, NSE has been a catalyst to the growth story of India, enabling economic growth through fund mobilization, capital formation, job creation, most important thing, wealth creation. I'd like to share some very important data. and this is very important for all the future companies which are coming for listing. India has consistently ranked among the top IPO global markets globally. Last year, I'm talking about calendar year 2024, we raised almost $19.7 billion, highest. This calendar year also, we raised around $21.7 billion. And why I'm saying this is a kind of record? In calendar year 2024, when we raised $19.7 billion, what we raised alone was raised cumulative by Singapore, Japan, and Hong Kong. This year, Hong Kong and China are doing reasonably well. So we are the third largest after US and China and Hong Kong and then India. But otherwise, India was leading the pack in terms of number of IPO because companies coming on the IPOs are doing reasonably well. And a lot of capital formation happening because many companies which are not listed are seeing public market route as an alternative route for funding. At NSE, we serve around 12.5 crore unique investor, which hold around 24.5 crore accounts. We are present 99.8% of the pin codes, barring few pin codes which are nothing but bus stand airports. We are across India. And we are very happy to share this platform of investors, accounts, and a transparent technology-based platform like NSE to the shareholders and BCCI today for helping their investors to transact on our platform. I will request Bharat Coking Co Limited to also explore follow-on public offer, right issues, CPs, NCDs. Corporate debt market is not going that speed with like equity market is growing. And this market is also now getting larger interest by the corporate participant like you. I'll be very happy to welcome BCCL to launch, take your debt fund from here, CPs, NCDs, even sustainability bonds. If Coal India has any plans to gradually move towards green coal, you know, there's thing called SLBs, sustainability linked bonds. These are very flavor of the season globally. These are being expected very well. Interest rates or the yields are also expected reasonably lower. So you get a lot of premium here if you raise SLB on the National Stock Exchange. With this, I'd like to congratulate the entire team of BCCL and merchant bankers like IDBI, Capital Market Services, ICICI Securities, Legal Advisor J Sagar, and PRNG Concept Communication. And this is just a beginning. We do believe that in your future fundraising endeavor, NSE will be a strong pillar of you. May your journey on NSE as a listed company be impactful, prosperous, and most important, enduring. Namaskar. Thank you. Jai Hind.
Thank you, Dr. Ahuja, for your valuable insights, and I have requested him to stay back for the memento presentation. Let us begin by calling upon Shri Manoj Kumar Agarwal, Chairman cum Managing Director, BCCL. Sir, please step up on stage and accept this congratulatory memento from Dr. Harish Ahuja, Senior Vice President, Issuer Relationships, PSD Power and Carbon Markets, NSE. This, ladies and gentlemen, as you can see, is a mini replica of the iconic bell that has been placed on the stage. Along with a coffee table book. And proud to be listed on NSE badge box. So let me explain. Officials and employees of BCCL who are attending the program here have been already given these badges, but this badge box is for those who could not be present here in person. And now the book running lead managers, BRLMs. All right, all right. So I will request Shri Manoj Kumar Agarwal, Chairman cum Managing Director, Bharat Coking Coal Limited, to present a memento to Dr. Harish Ahuja in reciprocation. All right. Okay, okay. It is 9:58, ladies and gentlemen, as you can see. We will take a pause here and continue the memento presentation later. But for now, let us gather towards the bell as it will be struck right at 10 o'clock. So, जिस पल का हम प्रतीक्षा कर रहे हैं, वो करीब आ रहा है. The momentous time for which we all are eagerly waiting is fast approaching. I will now request Madam Rupinder Brar, Additional Secretary, Ministry of Coal, Government of India, to please join in. Shri Mukesh Agarwal, Director Finance, Coal India. Shri Sanjeev Kassi, Joint Secretary, Ministry of Coal, Government of India. Shri Naveen Agarwal, Joint Secretary, Deepam. Shri Sanjay Kumar Singh, Director Technical Operations, BCCL. Shri Bani Kumar Paroi, Company Secretary, GM Finance, BCCL. Could I request the BRLMs to please join us on stage? Shri Kamalkant Upadhyay, MD CEO IDBI Capital Markets Limited. Shri Mohanjeet Singh, Senior Coverage Banker ICICI Securities Limited. So ladies and gentlemen, the ringing of the bell will mark the official listing of Bharat Coking Coal Limited. The relentless hard work and untiring efforts finally coming to fruition. We are almost half a minute away. So join me in cheering when the customary 10-second countdown will begin. We all will put our hands together as the timer will strike 10 o'clock. जब 10 को 10 सेकंड बाकी होंगे, आप सभी मेरे साथ काउंटडाउन की गिनती में शामिल हो जाइएगा. तालियों की गूंज के साथ हम उस पल को सजाएंगे. It will truly be an honor. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So heartiest congratulations, ढेर सारी बधाई और हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं. अविस्मरणीय क्षण हम सभी के लिए. A nice group picture which will stay with us for times to come. So ladies and gentlemen, Bharat Coking Coal Limited has been introduced and welcomed on this corporate ladder. Many congratulations. So I request everybody to remain seated as we have a few more mementos to be given. We can take pictures later, as many as you like. Let us continue with the memento presentation first, please. Thank you for your cooperation. Yes. So I will now request Dr. Ahuja to please present mementos to the book running lead managers, the BRLMs, beginning with Shri Kamalkant Upadhyay, MD and CEO, IDBI Capital Markets Limited. Next would be Shri Mohanjeet Singh, Senior Coverage Banker, ICICI Securities Limited. Sorry? Sir, अभी दिखा है आपको मोबाइल पे दिख जाएगी. Legal Advisor, JSA Advocates and Solicitors. We have Arko Mukherjee, yes. And the PR agency, Concept Communication Limited. So let us have a combined round of applause for all those who have contributed towards a successful listing, ladies and gentlemen. Yes. Thank you. I thank Dr. Ahuja as well. Please join us in the audience while I call upon Shri Manoj Kumar Agarwal, Chairman cum Managing Director, BCCL, to kindly step up on stage and present a few mementos, beginning with, of course, the BRLMs. Shri Kamal Kant Upadhyay, MD, CEO, IDBI Capital Markets Limited. Next would be Shri Mohanjeet Singh, Senior Coverage Banker, ICICI Securities Limited. Auditor, Messrs. Nag and Associates. Sir, आइए. This is the auditor, Messrs. Nag and Associates. Next would be the practicing company secretary, Mehta and Mehta. Yes, ma'am, please on to the stage. Practicing company secretary, Mehta and Mehta. Next would be the legal advisors, JSA advocates and solicitors. JSA advocates and solicitors, the legal advisor. We have two legal advisors, Denton's Link Legal. तालियां बजती रहनी चाहिए. Denton's Link Legal. Next would be the registrar to the issue, KFin Technologies Limited. Registrar, KFin Technologies Limited. Next was the PR agency, Concept Communication Limited. Tech support, SRK. Do we have anybody from SRK? All right, let's move ahead. Industry expert, CRISIL. Anyone from CRISIL? Yes. Bankers to the offer, Axis Bank. Any representative? Axis Bank? Yes. And finally, it would be HDFC Bank after this. Yes. Please, sir, आइए. HDFC Bank, bankers to the offer. I would request you, sir, to please stay back, and requesting Dr. Harish Ahuja, sir, please stay back, sir, sir. We have a surprise for you. So Dr. Ahuja will be presenting a photo frame. Moments which have been captured just a while ago have been captured in the form of a photograph and framed forever. Moments to be cherished and treasured for a very, very long time to come. Thank you. Thank you, gentlemen. You may please take your seats while the vote of thanks will be delivered by Shri Mohanjit Singh, Senior Coverage Banker, ICICI Securities Limited.
Thank you, ma'am. Good morning, everyone. It's been a privilege to be here at the listing ceremony of BCCL. And thanks to all of you for taking your time out and being here with us today. We're very proud of our association with BCCL and Coal India, and in making this IPO a stupendous success. And the overwhelming response that we received from both the institutional and non-institutional investors across categories underscores the dominant position the company has in the coking coal business in India. And you know, we will congratulate BCCL, Coal India, Ministry of Coal, DIPAM for the success of this IPO. And as BCCL gets listed today, we are very confident that the company will continue to work to deliver value, and which will reward both the employees and investors and all of the stakeholders. Thanks once again for joining us for this event today, and congratulations to BCCL especially. Thank you.
So on that uplifting note, we conclude this event. Kindly proceed for tea, coffee, refreshments that have been arranged outside in the foyer. तो इसी के साथ देवी और सज्जनों इस समारोह का समापन होता है। मैं मानसी आपसे विदा लेती हूँ। आपका दिन शुभ रहे। धन्यवाद।